Well, this is day 2 of our safari. It's Sunday, the 8th of March, 2015, and this is our first spotting of lions. We are on kind of like the shoreline of Lake Manyara with our spectacular guide, Albert. And these lions are all just resting in the shade. Look at this one here, just fully laid out, totally relaxed. Beautiful animals. Really thrilling to see them in their own habitat and not in a zoo. So once again here we have lions, but look what else we have just past Alf's head. Look what's coming in here.
Oh, look at the male now.
Elephants.
2 male right there. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that, Alfie.
And there's more elephants.
So they can
back
smell
here.
them or hear them, one of the two.
You know, like
So-
there, I think there is a waterhole, so the elephants, they coming here for swallowing. You see that one? Swallowing.
This is a big elephant. Oh yeah, he's getting some water there. They've definitely attracted the lions' attention.
You can see
Well, they're watching them now, not
Yeah,
us.
yeah, they're watching them. Oh, look at